It's a bad man thing, yeah, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to this.
Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I have an Marley twist. I really wanted to do a protective style and I've been wanting to do Marley twists for a while, so I decided to do them. I decided to do the jumbo kind. Next time I do them, I'm gonna do the smaller ones because I'm really trying to do protective styles most of this year. And I just love how it looks. It's so lightweight, it's so cute, and you can style it so many different ways. So if you wanna see how I achieve this look, keep on watching. So before we get started, I just want to show you how I prepped my hair. So I decided to do the rubber band method just because I wanted my hair to stay slick, like all in one in the ponytail in the rubber band. So this is what my hair looks like. My hair looks super duper moisturized. I did this off camera because it is just really hard for me to like part my hair so it could be at least semi-straight. So what I did is I did some big sections. They're not all perfect. They're not all uniform, which is fine with me. So this is what it looks like. And what I use to moisturize my hair is I just sprayed my hair with some water, and then I used Carol's Daughter Coil Enhancing Moisture Butter. I love this stuff. It works so good with my hair. And then I just used some Jamaican Black Castor Oil to seal it in. So I did the LCO method, liquid, which is water, C, which is this cream, and the oil, O, which is for the oil. And I just twisted my hair up because it would just be easier for me to do. Like, I could just take the Marley hair and then just go ahead and just twist it while leaving this twist in my hair. And I also use my Ebin New York Edge Control just to lay my hair down a little bit flatter. And lastly, what I did with the rubber bands, I just soaked them in some Jamaican Black Castor Oil. So I just put the castor oil on them and then just rubbed the rubber bands in them because that will help to reduce breakage and it will not be so harsh on my hair. So let's just go ahead with the twisting. This is the type of hair that I used. This hair came with 3 bundles in one pack. So this one pack was $9.99 and with 3 bundles inside, and each bundle had 16 individual strands. Okay, y'all, so I basically am done with my whole head except for the 2 in the front. So I wanted to show y'all how I did it. So I'm using 4 strands per twist. So have 2, and you see how the ends are like this. You want to just break that apart so that you won't see that in the twist. It's not going to blend in very well, so you just want to separate that a little bit more so that it could be a more natural look throughout the whole twist. I'm just going to do that on both ends. All right, and I'm gonna take another 2 pieces of hair and do the same exact thing for the ends of the hair. All right, so 2 strands of hair, and I'm just gonna cross them over like this to where it's short in the middle but long at the end. And that will make it easier to twist so that it will look like this at the end and not so blunt. So this is how I do it, and I'm actually going to leave this twist in. You don't have to do this, but I just wanted to see, you know, what it would be like if I left the twist in, and my hair is so moisturized in this twist, I don't want to separate it. So I'm just gonna try it like this for now. So I take the hair and then I just start it off as a braid. And I braid, let's see, 1, 2, 3 times. And what I do is I take my twist and try to hide it under this. And then I just twist this one side like that. Bring it over, still holding this in place so it doesn't untwist. Then I'm going to twist this and then just twist them together. And what I start to do is an individual twist, then twist together. Twist both of them separately, then twist together. Twist separately, then twist together. And I'm still making sure that my hair is concealed as much as possible throughout this. So I'm just going to twist this side a little bit more where my natural hair twist is, then twist it. Individual twist, twist together. Individual, together. Individual, together. And I just continue to do that all the way down.
Give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around, but I found nobody.
And I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other one. So again, making sure that you get this little part off the end so that the twist could be more natural looking. I want to make sure these two are lined up. Do the same thing for the other side. Stagger them like that so it's short in the middle and long at the bottom. Start off as a braid. Now you don't have to start off as a braid, but this is just more secure for me because I never really tried the other style and I just want to do something that I'm comfortable with for right now. And I'm just gonna twist this individually, twist this over, and just do the same process.
It's a bad man thing, yeah, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel late, nah, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah, nah, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm too. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm too the beat. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow.
All right, so I absolutely love how these came out. They're super long, but that's okay. I love them long. They're super lightweight, and the process for me actually putting the twist in my hair only took an hour. And I know that because I was watching Dr. Phil, and y'all know Dr. Phil is an hour, so that's all it took me was an hour to do this. And I was actually sitting in the bed just twisting it while I was watching TV. Like I wasn't in front of a mirror or anything. That's how easy it is to do, especially when you have your hair already parted and separated and just know where to go. So I was just picking out a piece and then just twisting it along. And then I came to do the 2 pieces in front of the camera for you all. So one part I didn't show is when you're done with your twist, What you can do to seal the ends is that you could boil them in hot water just so that it will seal the ends. It will make them like skinnier. It will make them more together. But I decided not to do that because I'm going to be using this hair again. So I don't want to seal the ends where it's really hard to untangle them. So I'm just going to keep them like this because it's fine with me. I don't have a problem with them. And then most of the time, I'm probably just going to have my hair up in a bun. So you won't even really see the ends. Yeah, that's basically it. I'm super happy with how this came out. I'm super happy with the time that it took. How long did it take me to part? Because I'm horrible at parting, y'all. When I say I'm horrible. So parting took me about 37 minutes and 22 seconds. Somewhere around there. But that's it, y'all. Let me know what you think down below. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video if you love it. Share it with a friend. Share it with someone who you know will rock this style. Let me know if you would like for me to do a video on how to style these. I'll be more than happy to. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all on the next video.
Private show. Tell me low. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all that more.